Hi friends, hi YouTube. I just got done doing this fun, awesome earth tone look using this Lethal Cosmetics custom palette, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. But if you're newy here, hi, my name is Nikki. I swear a lot. I love colorful makeup. I love buying makeup, especially mystery bundles as of late. I also have a series going on my channel right now which is inspired by Barbie movies. I have a good couple that I have selected that I'm going to do looks that are inspired by. So if any of this sounds like something you'd enjoy, that's something you would enjoy watching, that you would want to take along for, please like, comment, subscribe, hate comment, dislike, whatever you feel like doing, do it. It helps my channel either fucking way. But let's get into this look. Okay, so we're going to be playing with my new Lethal Cosmetics custom palette with all this like earthy, wonderful goodness, and I'm really excited. So I'm just going to go prime, set, conceal, and get everything ready to put this on my face. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to play with these. Yeah. And because I have all the shades in the palette right now and I don't know all the names by heart, I'm just going to put the shade name either like in the little writing on the screen or in the description box. But I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. I'm going to be putting that in the crease to start with. Now that I have that done, I will be going into this shade right here and putting that right there. I'm going to go back in with that like caramel brown shade. I'm going to go over that to blend it out a little because I do not want it as harsh as it is right now. Now that I blended the skin on my freaking eyelid off, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here and putting that right in here. I'll now be putting a little bit of this shade right here, right into this part of the eye. I'm gonna stretch out the remaining product on the brush to the other inner part of the eye. Now I will be taking this shade right here and putting on this middle part of the eye. And going in again with a little bit of that darker blue shimmer and putting it over here so we can blend these two shades together. Okay, now that I have both eyes done, mascara on, I'm gonna go put some face products on. I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have most of my face done, I'm back. All I have left to do is blush, lips, this part of the eye, and then highlighter. So let's get into it. I just got done doing most of my face products, so I'm gonna go in with more. So I'm gonna start with the blush. This is a really old Bare Minerals blush. It's in the shade Passion. It's like hella old. But this is like really close to the red shadow, so I'm just gonna go with this and hope for the best. I don't want it to be too much, but I also I like a good amount of blush. I like to look like I have a little bit of color in my face because I am pretty pale. And as always, I'm gonna blend this out, but I always like to do my nose, the tip of my nose. I don't know why. This trend was happening at one point. Never hopped on it. And then now I am. I'm always late to everything. I also realized that I need to sit down to do my makeup a whole hell of a lot earlier than I have been because it gets so dark so quick here. I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Holographic Prismatic Highlighter that is broken. Oh my god. Yeah. Where is that brush? Here. It's like so shattered and crumbly now. Again, I wish I had the Run Beauty green highlighter. Because again, that would just be really, it would look really good with this. But this one will have to work. Then Cupid's bow. And I like to put a little here too, whatever's excess. I like to glow. And for under eye, I haven't really decided. I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe the yellow? Would that be too much? We'll just go in with this. It's a safe color. And then I'm going to try and blend some of this blue into it a little. For some reason I'm having a cough fit downstairs. And to finish the eyes, I think I'm going to go in with just a little bit of both of these two in the inner corner. And I think for lip, I'm going to go in with this ColourPop Fresh Kiss Lip Cream. Because I think it's around the color that I want. We'll go with this one. Okay, this is like way too orange. But I think if I mixed a little bit of this NYX one in, I can make it work. Yeah. This is the completed look using my Lethal Cosmetics custom palette that I am absolutely and utterly in love with. This gorgeous thing right here. So if you enjoyed watching this video, if you want to follow along for my Barbie series that I have going on, then follow, like, subscribe, I don't know, whatever you feel like doing. But thank you so much for watching my video.